What's up, traders? Happy Thursday, August 24th. Ugly tape, some bright spots, bringing you some bright spots here from Playbook Trading. Hey, took a couple of trades this morning. Two of them didn't work, but one of them worked and worked in a big way. So I thought I'd bring it up to you and show you in an ugly tape, in a bad market, there are some bright spots that you can trade off of. Absolutely. I'm going to bring up the market before I get into this trade. So let's look at the market. This is your Qs, 5 minutes open, and we already know what the daily chart looks like in the Qs, and it's going to be pretty interesting what happened. But what I wanted to show you that this stock right here, when you overlaid the market and what it did. So now you know what the market looks like. I can probably, to better demonstrate relative strength, I can probably leave this here so we can have a good view to this. So let's put this here for now. This was a tier 1 gap first and foremost, so we got to understand this, what are the criteria for a tier 1 gap, and wanted to bring this to you so you can add this to your repertoire or however you want to use it. Hopefully you can extrapolate some values and add it to your trading. But 5 simple ways to rate the gap. Super simple. Did the stock have shock value? Well, look at what happened in the last couple 3 days. Boom, boom, boom. And then a little bit of a doji bar here, but look how much shock value there is. Some of the best traders in the world are short this stock. They are looking this stock to just break down. Well, it didn't. It gapped over right here, right above this resistance line. These pivots where you can see this more of a, I would call it a castle top, double top, whatever you want to call it, whatever it makes you feel good about the formation. But short-term bullish. Is it bullish? Well, hell yes, bullish, because short has to cover. So that's what it's all about. And it's all, is it clearing resistance? Yes. Long-term bullish. What is a long-term pattern? Well, this type of gap ignites a long-term pattern. So look for a consolidation. It could be a really good swing opportunity. Did it have relative strength to the market? This is where you overlay the market. Did it have, well, check this out. First 5 minutes bar of the market, red. 2, 4, 5th bar is green. We are officially green in this stock on GES. And if you want to see it, what it looked like, the GES, you just pull up the chart, and it looked absolutely great. So I'll bring up the 5 minute chart of SPLK. And here's a chart for GES, 5 minutes chart. Look at this 5 minutes chart. Now you overlay that with what I showed you in the market. This thing is about to go. And here comes the alert at 6:32 a.m. after the 2 minutes bar was formed. Red bar. Why? I love red bar because it just tells me if we're going to have a follow through or we're not. If you haven't checked out my other videos, check out. I use the same strategy over and over, and it works 70-80% of the time. To be exact, I'm about 74%, so it works. It works in a big way. First bar red, no follow through. I want to get right here at 2150. Why? Market is red all the time. Gets triggered here, and then it pauses here. So you have 2 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 2 minutes opening range now kicking in. I want to add over 22 and raise the stop right here. Raise the stop right here. As you can see right here, alert at 22 and raise the stop to 2165. I've added some shares, raised the stop, now have double the share, same stop, a little bit less, matter of fact, because originally I had a 50-cent stop and I have a 35-cent stop. I'm on $300 risk. Now I have 1,200 shares because I had 600 shares here, 600 shares here. Now I have a 1,200 shares at 22. And boom, it explodes into the 23 area for a nice little profits in the morning. If you like it, give it a like, hit a subscribe, let me know what I could do to bring you more value that can help you elevate your trading. Stay disciplined, stay focused, stay with Playbook Trading. I'll talk to you all soon.